Who loves short shorts? I love short shorts. Kenzu loves short shorts. Come say hi. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bev, aka Bev B Diamond Paints. Today we're going to be opening up a fun little diamond art club. I got this a while ago, but I didn't want to bombard you guys with Diamond Art Club unboxings because, I don't know, I have a lot of them and there's a lot of Diamond Art Club unboxings, but I figured I would show you this one because it's one of my favorites. Let's take a look. We're going to be looking at Jackalope Junction. Jackalope Junction, get rid of the glare. It's a square. It is by Sheena Pike. I didn't know it was by Sheena Pike actually till I just read this. Sheena Pike, and it measures 56 by 71 centimeters. Open this bobby up. I'm excited. I actually super love jackalopes. I actually have a jackalope tattoo. If you did not know that, it is on my right shoulder and it is a big one because I love jackalopes. I love like mystical creatures in general. Okay, so it comes with this sticker. Put this on whatever you want. Put it in your logbook. Put it on the box. I'm going to put mine in the box just because the way I store my Diamond Art Clubs. Here's the diamond painting kit. There are new diamond painters who watch my video, so I'm going to look at the kit really quickly. You get a clear tray like this. 2 plates of wax. Ooh, I love how they're heart-shaped. So cute. And a bunch of baggies. A 4-placer. A cat. Do you get a cat in the kit? No, you don't get a cat. Squishy tweezers. Really pointy tweezers. Okay, I don't want to kill myself. And you also get a blue pen. Let's put this kit aside and hopefully my cat doesn't eat it. Comes wrapped in plastic. Here are all your drills. Look at those colors, they're so pretty. I really need to work on a colorful one. And then here is the beautiful canvas. Let's just roll it the other way. Oop. Then you also get the step-by-step instruction booklet, and there's a code in there for your future purchase. Look how pretty he is. He's so cute. So there's a jackalope baby. There is a mushroom house, it looks like, and there's stairs that go to here. So is this like the front gate maybe? And then there's a little bunny baby over here. Lots of flowers, another mushroom, some flowers. I love his little crown that he's wearing. Is it a boy jackalope or a girl jackalope? And ooh, I love her little eyelashes, so pretty. And then there's the antlers. And just in case you didn't know, jackalopes don't actually exist. So there's that. Funny story. My ex-boyfriend was telling me about his ex-girlfriend, and she was like, unicorns never existed, right? Like, they're not real. And I'm like, seriously, these are the types of girls you date, and then you date me. Okay, anyways, off topic. You have your schematic up here, schematic down here. It looks like it is 47 colors. We can look at the schematic quickly here so you can kind of see what symbols you can expect. You can expect white symbols on dark background, which is great. Easy for you to see. So 47 colors, and it looks like there is 1 AB, which is that white color, 141. Where's that big sticker? Oh, here's the big sticker. It was in the box. So if you didn't know, you also get a big ass sticker like this from Diamond Art Club. It has the canvas info, another thumbnail you can cut out and use wherever. I really like this one. I'm going to put in my planner. And then this color list you can actually use to kit up and put on your containers. If you've never done that before, I have a kitting up video that I posted recently. You can go on my channel and find that. So again, this is a square diamond painting. And let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas itself is really clear. I don't think that I'll have any issues with it. Sorry for the glare. Let me hold it at an angle. I love like the pastels in it and all the colors. Look at his face. Oh my god, look at his nose. Oh, his nose is so cute. So we have some ones there in his eyes. There's ones all along here. And ones here. There's ones in these bubbles that are here. So you'll get those, the AB, the Aurora Borealis, specially coated beads here. And over here as well, there's some ones. Too bad his nose doesn't have any ones in it. And then, oh, this whole flower outline here is all ones. The rabbit's butt over here is all ones. That's really cute. And I'll do a little tour of the canvas so you can see it more up close, because I know that most people watch unboxing videos for the canvas and not really the drill. So. Now let's take a look at the drills. I'm not going to unwrap them all. I know you're so disappointed, but I will show you the ABs. Let me find these ABs for you. Here they are, right here, 141. And as you can see, they have like a really nice sparkle to them. So they're just white ABs. Ooh, you actually get 3 bags of ABs. There's 1, 2, 3. So that there's a lot of ABs. Like, there might just be one color, but there's a lot of AB drills. So that's really nice. And you can kind of see the colors from just looking in this bag. I really like these like light purples. And the blues are really pretty. There's some browns for the I was gonna call it a never mind. I was gonna call it something else. I was like jack-lantern, but it's a jackalope. So there's browns for the jackalope. There's some bright greens. Overall, I really like this kit. This was one I saw when it was released, and I was like, oh, I really want this one. And then it sold out, and it was on my wish list. It came back, and then I was like, I want it. Should I get it? And I was like, I waited too long, and it was sold out again. But I finally got it. So I had it. I ordered it when it was on pre-order, so I'm super happy about it. I probably will do this one after I'm done my Mystical Diamond Arts canvas, or I'll do something else. I haven't decided. I really like this one because I've been doing darker themed diamond paintings recently, and I really need a pop of color in my life, so maybe I'll do this one next. So that is Jackalope Junction. I'm so glad that I was able to share it with you guys. What are your thoughts on this canvas? Do you have this canvas? Is it in your stash? Is it something that you want? Have you never thought about getting it until after seeing this unboxing? Tell me all the things in the comments below. If you're new here, I would love to have you as part of my hive. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and you'll get updated when I post videos, and I do upload new videos on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you fart faces in the next one. Bye!